What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a decentralized digital currency based on blockchain technology. You may be familiar with the most popular versions, Bitcoin and Ethereum, but there are over 5,000 different cryptocurrencies in circulation. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrency is a medium of exchange that is digital, encrypted and decentralized. Unlike the US dollar or the euro, there is no central authority that manages and maintains the value of a cryptocurrency. Instead, these functions are widely distributed among users of cryptocurrencies via the internet. You can use crypto to buy regular products and services, although most people invest in cryptocurrencies because they invest in other assets such as stocks or precious metals. Although cryptocurrency is a fancy and exciting asset class, buying it can be risky as you must do enough research to understand how each system works. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, first described in principle by Satoshi Nakamoto in a 2008 research paper entitled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Nakamoto described the project as an electronic payment system based on cryptographic evidence rather than trust. That cryptographic evidence comes in the form of transactions that are verified and recorded in a blockchain. What is a blockchain? A blockchain is an open, distributed ledger that records transactions in code. In practice, it is like a checkbook that is distributed to countless computers around the world. Transactions are recorded in blocks that are linked together in a chain of past cryptocurrency transactions. Imagine a book where you write what you spend every day, says Buchi Okoro, CEO and co-founder of African cryptocurrency exchange Quidax. Each page is like a block, and the whole book, a set of pages, is a blockchain. With a blockchain, everyone who uses cryptocurrency has their own copy of the book to create a unified transaction record. As each new transaction occurs, the software logs it, and each copy of the blockchain is updated with the new information simultaneously, keeping all records consistent and accurate. To prevent fraud, each transaction is verified using one of two main verification techniques: proof of work or proof of partnership. Proof of work versus proof of stake. Proof of work and proof of partnership are two different verification strategies used to verify transactions before they are included in the blockchain, which rewards validators with more cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies typically use proof of work or proof of speculation to verify transactions. Proof of work is a way to verify transactions in the blockchain where an algorithm provides a mathematical problem that computers run to solve, said Simon Oxenheim, social media manager at xcoins.com. Each participating computer, often referred to as a moniker, solves a mathematical puzzle that helps verify a set of transactions, called blocks, then adds them to the blockchain ledger. Thank you.